Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Installing a hitch on your Tesla Model Y can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking, camping, or road trips to your favorite destination. You could even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now let's take a look at how we complete this Curt Hitch installation. You will need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. Begin with your cargo hatch open so we can remove some trim pieces. We will remove this trim cover to expose a hidden fastener. First, pry the trunk stop away from the trim. Use a trim panel tool to gain leverage. Now pry out the trim cover. Remove the hidden fastener with a 10mm socket. Now repeat on the other side. Remove 4 trim clips from each wheel well using a screwdriver or a trim panel removal tool. Repeat these steps on the opposite side. Remove the underbody panel by removing several fasteners with a 10mm socket and 2 fasteners with a T30 Torx bit. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the cover on these 2 fasteners. Remove your receiver cover with a flathead screwdriver. Give it a 90-degree turn. Also, we will remove the fender trim far enough to get the fascia out. You can now gently peel back the fender trim to expose a hidden fastener. Use an 8mm socket to remove it. It is always a good idea to use some form of masking tape to protect body lines and cover up sharp trim clips to prevent scratching when the fascia is returned later. Repeat for your passenger side. The bumper fascia is now ready to be removed. I would recommend getting a second set of hands to help. Peel one side of the fascia past the tail light recess, and then jump to the other side, and then return to the middle. While your second set of hands is holding the fascia and underbody panel, you must remove this electrical connector. Our directions do call out removing the sensor bracket and the 4 fasteners. However, it is possible to install the hitch without removing the entire bracket. Use a trim panel tool to pry the wiring out of the way, and that gives you clearance to remove the bumper and install the hitch. Remove 3 fasteners holding the steel bracket to the vehicle. Use a 15mm socket and an extension to gain access. Be sure to support the bumper beam with your body or an off hand as you remove the final fastener so that it does not fall on you. You can return this to the customer. It will not be reinstalled. You can now place the hitch into position. Make sure to support it while you put on some fasteners so it doesn't fall on you. Tighten and torque the hardware to the manufacturer specifications, which I will link in the description below. We're going to continue using the 15mm socket. Return the fascia and underbody back to the vehicle. First, insert the flanges on the underbody panel above the other underbody panel and then lift the fascia into position. Reconnect the electrical connector as you raise the fascia into position. Check the wheel well areas because we've got the underbody panel that didn't want to remove. Trim panels, they like to get hung up on themselves. Check every bit and you will feel when it's ready to be clicked into position. Typically with the second side of fascia reinstallation, you need to pull it into position. Now return all your fasteners and trim clips, beginning with the hidden 8mm. Now that our hitch is installed, we pulled the vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 6 inches. From the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 15 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories like a ball mount, bike rack, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.